I'm Saurav.
I am Aditi.
And I am Ganavi from Excel Public School, Kurgali, Mysore, and we are thrilled to present our project Puthirai. This initiative aims to revitalize the traditional art of string puppets using modern technology to make it more accessible and engaging for contemporary audience.
String puppetry, a vital culture art form of South India, beautifully narrates the stories from epics like Ramayana and Mahabharata. Sadly, intricate craftsmanship and physical challenges involved have made it less appealing to modern audiences. Through our project, we aim at sustainability and relevance.
Our primary research included interviews with experienced puppetry artists and educators. Artists highlighted the challenges in puppet creation, maintenance, and handling, while teachers emphasized the educational potential of puppets as tools for interactive learning. These insights inspired us to reimagine puppets for the modern need.
We explored tools like Mushroom for photogrammetry and Blender for 3D modeling. These allowed us to design and refine puppet components, ensuring precision and ease of customization. Using the Ender 3 V2 Pro 3D printer, we printed components with PLA filament, a sustainable and biodegradable material. The lightweight yet sturdy designs are perfect for frequent use in classrooms and performances. Testing highlighted improved aesthetic appeal and significant weight reduction, making the puppets easier to handle, as noted in feedback from puppetry artists.
Our 3D printed puppets are versatile, engaging tools that cater to diverse audiences, from educators and students to puppetry artists and cultural institutions. They bridge tradition and innovation, opening avenues for interactive storytelling, workshops, and performances.
Hello everyone, I am Harshita from class 8F.
I'm Lavanya from class 8F.
We use this festival, the puppet to explore our talent and tell
When we used this first time, it was so heavy that we got neck pain. It was actually made by waste papers and some materials. But this is so lightweighted. We can use it for like how many hours we can use it. We can use it. But the previous one was so heavy that we can't even wear it and stand it for an hour. It was so difficult. This is better than that one.
This is not just about preserving an art form, it's about making it relevant and inspiring the future generations to appreciate our rich cultural heritage. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Together, let's keep the art of puppetry alive and thriving.